is... Oh, no. I was about to ask a question about episodes not even out yet.
That's fine.
See that? No.
Please, I need something that better.
Let's just see. Like, you know.
Okay, I'm going to give you options for this to make it a little bit easier.
Okay.
So...
This can just be for no points, but like...
Okay.
We can just try.
So, I'm going to say the whole thing in Igbo.
Oh, Lord.
Oburuna madusigi. Iyiri mamagi. Kedihe hanagwagi.
This is a long sentence. Okay, say it again, but say it slowly.
That was pretty slow, but
okay.
It was slower. Oburuna madugwaragi na iyiri mamagi maobu nnegi. Kedihe oputara.
I understood like 5 words.
Alright, let's start from the beginning. Oburuna.
There are something.
If
it is
like
it was?
if it's just kind of like
Oburuna.
Like if it was.
Okay.
But not. So this is hard.
Okay. This is a learning experience for everybody. Now you're just teaching us, okay? That's fine.
Everybody see, you can always learn.
Yes.
It means if somebody said to you, Oburu na madu guaragi, madu a person guaragi.
Okay.
Na that you, yiri. Yiri is what the next lesson is going to be about. Certain verbs that you might hear a lot with family.
Okay.
Yiri is to resemble negi, your mom. What did I just say? Okay. If somebody told you look like your mom.
Okay.
I said Dalu.
I said Ezioku. So what's the word? Yiri? Is it G-H or was it Y?
It's Y.
Okay. Y-I-R-I?
Yep.
Okay.
If I say to you, I know I'm Ulonru, where am I?
You're at your place of work?
Yes.
Because I always get Oru and Olu, because I said Olu instead of Oru.
So yeah, but they're the same thing.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Speaking of that, then what does the name Oluchi mean?
What? I said it first, right?
Yeah.
I got it first. So, like, God's home.
Yeah.
God's work?
Yeah.
What is God's home instead of God's work?
It sounds like it's not it's not Ula, it's Alu, which is same as Aru.
Okay.
But yeah, I get why you said that. Yeah. What does Olachi?
Come on now. That doesn't come from
Is that a name?
Okay, I have a name question. What does the name Onyinye mean? Whew.
Jeez.
I think she got it first.
I think she
Onyechi.
Isn't it
like the full thing?
The full thing.
God's gift.
Yes. Okay.
I have so many cousins with that.
Really? Okay, should know this you guys should know this from the episode. What does the name Afamekola
Excuse me.
What mean?
May my name never fail me. May my name not pass away. Okay.
May my name not be lost or pass away or anything like that.
Okay, because in Things Fall Apart, boys there was Ikemefu, which I'm pretty sure means, well, my mom told me means may my strength never fail me or something. Maybe may my strength never pass away.
Failed him.
That's true. That's the thing.
I mean, maybe it could be translated that, but efula, like I lost it.
Okay.
Lost.
May I not? May I lost? Okay, that makes sense.
What's the difference between Ibu versus Ed?
So, Ed is like kind of like present, like what you are presently, versus like Igbo is kind of just like a whole, like always, like more like always type of thing.
Yeah.
Give me an example using them in the correctly.
Igbo, Onye, Umwaya. So like I'm a person of Umwaya versus like can I say in Igbo? I'm sure.
Yeah. Good job.
Someone actually like a tour that car he did.
Exactly. How are you doing? Because how you're doing is ephemeral.
Okay.
Like, and that's why. You guys want sentence or vocab or what would make you happy?
To hang on to this whatever I have.
I don't think you're not in the league anymore.
Let me catch up.
How do you say last child?
That was me.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
That was definitely me. That was definitely me. That was definitely me. That was definitely me. No, it was. Ipazu. That's me. One Ipazu. No, I said it. No, I never had it. You know I had it. You know I had it. Wambu.
Yeah.
Wambu.
Yeah.
Bow.
Okay.
Wow.
Great. You studied today.
My head hurts.
Maka.
I want you guys to start giving me some sentences. Let's make this.
Let's
turn up the notch.
That's cool.
How do you say I have a brother?
Oh, so I have it.
Okay.
I have a brother. Is it? Is it Abu?
One name, okay.
Yes, and one name woke.
All right,
Good
so
job.
that means I have.
Yes. All right, plot twist.
So I'll work on
How do you say she is tall?
Okay. Obu. Ogologo.
Yeah.
Oh no, isn't she?
Mm-hmm. Think about what you said wrong.
Ode.
Yes.
That one was a tricky one in that episode. I remember that because I really thought it was supposed to be boo. Yeah.
Okay. How do you say my in-law is good?
You got this. You got this.
And can I say like Ogo Wanyi Dema?
Good job. You said my mother-in-law, yes, or you could just say Ogom, which is just in-law. Good job. You guys are so smart.
50.
Whatever. I'm definitely close. I'm definitely close. I lost count, but I'm close. So your 50 is now safe.
Tell me what this means in English. Olotunge siku.
That means how do you say whatever?
Good job. Come on, Obi. I know you know these.
I'm telling you,
We practice all the
listen.
time.
Tell me what this means in English. Gini kipuru.
What did you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
55, man.
My friend, you will not be 55 for long. Or you'll stay 55 and I'll pass you.
Tell me what question word this is.
Oh my god.
Go ahead.
Olemwe.
You got that.
So when?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. All right.
60, yeah?
Okay.
Tell me what this question word means.
Jeez, I'm not good at question words. You got it though.
Kedumwe.
No, that's me.
No, it
That was
wasn't.
me.
That sounded exactly the same.
Kedu means what?
Huh?
Kedu means what, right?
Hey!
Wait.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
When?
Exactly.
When?
She said ole the first time that she said Kedu the second time, but the second word.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
65.
Oh!
Alright, I'm
I
gonna
look
give
like
you
Kawhi out here.
5